Had the birds chirping. There's a blackbird still there fiddling around here. This was going to be a cooking video. I have to be a David Attenborough mode here. A whisper. Oh, I already stuffed up with that step. The white man. Go Tyson Fury. Respect Dante Wilder. Should I put the dolmios in with the chicken? Birds were playing games, but I've made too much noise. Alright, so, by crikey. I think you want a cheap, good slow cook meal. The Marylands, they're called. It's just like it's a chicken foot and a thigh. There's no cutting around. There's no use cutting around the edges, and for vegan people and so forth, and vegetarians, I sort of wish I was, if you know what I mean. But now I'm going to get rid of a bit of the fat, a bit of the oil out of the bottom here. Tip that out, and I'm going to go whichever try pasta sauce. Now, these guys are spicing out. They're probably only cooked halfway near through the bone, through the slow cooker. Obviously safety required. Always use Artur Detour. Star Wars fans will know that reference.